Yo, what's good? What's poppin'? It's your boy Mari. Back with another video. So, again, we are recovering on this account, trying to get back to the 700 mark so we can break even and then go into profit. So, we recovering. We was all the way down to we was at 318, 312. We at 537 now. So, we working our way up. So, let's do 2.5 of the account. Okay, so how you find out what that is? 537.71 times 2.5% equals $13. So boom, we're gonna go 13. Excuse me. The coughing may kill me. But we gonna go $13 and shit. We finna get straight to it. Crank the Huncho Tay real quick. I'm gonna go old Huncho. I'm gonna go 2022.
I tried to tell them all I wanted when they get the message I sent through. Time after time, they said I could do it. They know that we in for the win. You know that I'm good. I'm here with my lung. Don't need no one stopping my wins. I shoot my shot, no miss. All gas, no break, go in. They tell them just show me my phone. They whenever they want out. Call them, how can I vent to them? Deep problems, just keep piling, yeah. Trying to see how can I get through. Hot day, but had dig a lion up to a giant when you really built for. Watch I'm walking my stone. Hit deep, so the drink I'm pouring. Don't know where I'm going, still going. No, I cannot give in for anything. But they know I can't hear for Benjamin. I'ma go with my guys, gonna do the free. Try to tell them I'm greatest, come witness it. Young and chasing that paper, been busy since. Never needed no nigga, he independent. But still, I know who I can call on. Do the same for you if it fall on. Yeah, together we never gonna fall. Time will be the odds, yeah, gonna push to the fullest. Know they don't wanna see me shine. Did it when they said I couldn't. Like, what's a dollar to a wolf? He know like high touch a cool. Tryna live my life like a move. Can't get no part into it. No, level up, I'm switching moves. Take slow, good time, don't hold. They don't know the time and I'm on. If he want it, he get it his way. Know they don't understand how he think. Keep my head in the game like EA. Tell him stay out the way like runway. Had to get in their hell no other way. Like young just need them books. Just playing my part, not trying to be cool. Ain't know that on him, just do what it do. Can't listen to shit they tell me. They don't care what I'm doing, just watching my move. Gon' pop my shit, yeah, nothing to. Gotta show ain't nothing like the rest. I'm on my 10, but it 10. No, I can't stop till I be dead. Time after time, did it again. But they still throwing hate on me. Like what it cost to really win. Tryna have it where we all can win. Don't give in, don't fold on me. Time after time, we be the odds, yeah, gon' push to the fullest. Know they don't wanna see me shine. Did it when they said I couldn't. Like what's a dollar to a wolf? He know like hot torch a cool. Tryna live my life like a move. Can't get no part into it. No, level up, I'm switching modes. Take it slow, good time, don't hold. They don't know the time and I'm on. If he want it, he get it his way. Know they don't understand how he think. Keep my head in the game like EA. Tell him stay out the way like runway.
Oh, it look like we too late. Yeah, we definitely too late. Yeah, I think we too late.
Yeah, 24 hours, yeah, nigga, I've been working. Can't move so fast, yeah, I gotta be there early. Mornings on my way, yeah, people need me as urgent. Try to tell me I won't shine, got ton of vision, can't work. Cause I gotta put my family first. They ain't show me love, but they had to put in no work. Show me what I'm down through, the for the ones who counted me out. Watch how I pass through. Can't wait to say I finally made it, feel like it passed. Been going hard, ain't taking days off. Lately been chasing dreams, just reaching for stars. Pay my door with a call, find myself, I'm going in. Still fucking for any dividend, myself, yeah, to the end. Cause they ain't give me no help. I'd rather get it myself, either get right or get left. Tryna live on top with no one else. No one long, I'm a step. Yeah, beneficial, not a rule. She get what you want, just cause she spell. Anytime you need me, I'll help. Don't know me wrong, good time with this. No, I've been bottom, Jordan Pippen. I just reach out my wish. But you in first, they can't see. Take the elsewhere way to heat. I ain't got no choice, make them believe. Can't wait to shine, yeah, and I ain't never going back. All in and I ain't no relax. 24 hours, yeah, nigga, I've been figures. So if it ain't about the money, Michael Jackson just beat it. I've been in the lab working so I can ball for season. If it ain't right, tell them keep. Don't need fake low revenue. Just keep it real, that's 100, yeah, that's all that I need. Just like Milwaukee on the green. They ain't with us, they gotta leave. Yeah, I surround myself with paper chasing like they chop a tree. We gotta get it, we ain't asking for no handout. That boy just a stand up. Feel like that don't change, like that life finna get crazy. Wait to tell mom I made. No, she tired of me no long. No, she know I've been a long fight. But yeah, this still that start. 24 hours, yeah, nigga, I've been working. Came up too fast, yeah, I gotta be that early. Won't lose on my way, yeah, people need me as urgent. They try to tell me I won't shine, got ton of bitch, can't work. Cause I gotta put my family first. They ain't show me love, they
Okay,
ain't put it nowhere.
yeah. Like that. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. We got the first one for the day. Go back down to 13. Alright. We're gonna start just in case it keep going up, and then we can come back to it. And it's another good setup right here, y'all. I had to take it, y'all.
I can give you my love, you do the same for me. I hope you'll never change on me. Gotta keep it 100, no change in me. I've been chasing them money, road running ain't low, but no hurting my favorite thing. Gotta stick to the plan, I want everything. They don't know when the man still ain't never fade. They don't show the same love, that shit not the same. I've been giving too much in my turn, forget back. I can't tell I got no time to kick back. Feeling me versus me, I can never fall. When I'm with you, I know where to love it. I know where you can call, know you love that. No one breaking my heart with a ball that. Know what I'm on, gotta get, ain't no way I can stop till I finish. Now I'm like, let's go and just take a ride. Gotta go be the rain and storm the ground. Try to tell them before, wanna go to them. Gotta swing for the fence for the whole one. No, I said I'ma do it, go get it done. Had to do it myself, can't depend on them. Like my tongue on the block of my wings from them. Call my shit and get gone in the wind on them. When I'm gone, don't be saying you missing me. Always know I be here, no epiphany. I be pouring my heart when no days off. We still
Oh shit, we won.
I've been trying to stay calm through
What the fuck? Alright, I did not expect to win that one, I ain't gonna lie. Shit. Should we stop? It's a Monday too. I think I'm gonna start, y'all, cause it's a Monday. So Mondays and Fridays shit be kind of choppy. You feel me? But it's 2 in a row usually. You know my rule: lose 2 in a row, you stop. You win 3 in a row and stop. But lately I've been stopping at 2 in a row. See, shoot, 2 in a row. I stopped at 1. Yeah, that was a little different. But 2 in a row. You feel me? So shit. Well, I see. Hold on. Let's look at the rest. Damn. Yeah. I think we done for the day, man. We're gonna take our wins and we gonna leave. And the only reason I won 2 in a row, so I really want to stop. But the only reason I want to keep going is to, of course, make more money. But we still gotta keep this in mind. Like, the bigger our account is up here, the bigger your 2.5% gonna be. So it's just 500 and something right now. So our 2.5% on 13. But just some quick math right here, just to help you understand. Like, once you get good at this and you really get some money you can put up for real, we'll be making more on the daily. So say it's 2,000 in that account, right? And we time it by 2.5%. 2,000 times 2.5%. That's $50 a trade. So if I get 2 right, 50, that's $100 you made in a day. So this would have been $100. And you see, I've been consistent. You feel me? I missed 10, missed 21 to 41 to 80, so I made all that back. Like, I've been consistent, so I would have been making 100 that day, 50 that day. So that would have been 50, 100. I would have missed both of them, so it would have been missed 150. Then this would have been 200, and then this would have been 400. So I would have made 6 and missed 150. So what it is, there's 450, right? 450 in a day. 50, those doubles, 50, 100, 150 in a day. Like, the more money we got over here, the more money we gonna make right here per day. So you just want to worry about being consistent with the little bit of money first. Don't rush into the big amount of money. Get right with the little amount of money. Then when you get comfortable with that, you get some more money on your hands, then we gonna go bigger account. You feel me? But yeah, that's it for this video. We doing good so far. We slowly but surely getting back to that 700 mark. So yeah, let's just keep grinding. But join the Discord, link below. Link will be in the description. Well, it's free right now.